Does your IT guy or gal have you covered for cybersecurity? How do you know? Because they told you they do? Hi, I'm Steve Conyers with CMIT Solutions, where we provide cybersecurity and IT services for businesses and nonprofits. President Reagan was famous for saying, especially in dealing with the Soviet Union, to trust but verify. So I suggest that you do that as well with your IT person who says that they've got you covered for cybersecurity. The reason for that is IT people in general have a reputation for taking shortcuts and trying to make things work smoothly and easy for you, not necessarily in the most secure fashion or to the level of security that your business demands, because not everybody has to operate with the same level of security. So what we recommend is that you have a second pair of eyes, someone to just check over what the settings are, or for you to go through a checklist that we can provide to you to ask your IT provider and get a sense for how consistent they are being on their cybersecurity for you. So the methodology there is basically to do a quick assessment, and the end of which is basically a series of questions and answers and about your business and how you run your business. And the end result is a scorecard that lets you know where you stand and what is most serious about your cybersecurity issues and what you can ignore or push off to the future. So if you think this will be useful to you, contact me. You can contact me directly or look at the information at the links at the end of this video, and I'll send you a checklist for cybersecurity. And if you have an urgent need, just direct message me and I'll set up a complimentary short conversation with you to see if we can help you out. Again, I'm Steve Conyers with CMIT Solutions, hoping you have a safe and secure day.